Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to type a euro symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Notepad. Once a best match would appear, please click on the open option to continue. By the way, you can also use the Word or Microsoft Word application in the PC, and in that way you can use it. So, in order to type a euro symbol, all you need to do is you need to press and hold the Alt key in the keyboard and type 0128. Okay? The moment you release that, you would be able to type a euro symbol here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so let's try again. Press and hold the Alt key and type for 0128. Release it, and you would be able to type for a euro symbol sign in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, just type for Alt and then 0128. In that way, you would be able to type a euro symbol in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.